If you want to enhance your Etsy account security, removing old devices from your security settings is a crucial step. Follow these simple steps to manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Start by visiting the Etsy website and logging into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Review linked devices. In the security settings, you will see a list of devices that have access to your Etsy account. Take a moment to review this list and identify any old or unused devices that you want to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. Next to each device, there should be an option to remove or disconnect it. Click on this option for any device you wish to remove and confirm your choice when prompted. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Etsy security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly reviewing your linked devices is a good practice for maintaining your online security.